Hi, I'm Gigi and I'm an SFX makeup artist in a haunted house in South Carolina, and I'm also a haunt actress there. But for my channel, I mainly do makeup tutorials. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use SFX Gelatin, which you can make yourself. Show you how to use that to make your skin look melted or just do some kind of melted look however you want. You can do radioactive, melted skin, but for this video, it's gonna be Christmas themed, hence the lights. So I'm going to be doing a melted snowman type of look, which you will also get to see on my TikTok and Instagram once I get that posted. To make SFX gelatin, you need 3 things, technically 2, but I used 3. You need gelatin, hot water, and possibly glycerin. It depends if you want this to last longer. That's what the glycerin is for. And you add these together in a 1:1 to 0.25 ratio. So for example, if you use 1 teaspoon of gelatin, you use 1 teaspoon of hot water and 1/4 of a teaspoon of glycerin. But I'll actually just show you me making this right now. So for the rest of this look, I just am using basic makeup materials, so that would include eyeshadow, some kind of face paint. I like to use cream-based face paint, that's what I have, and sometimes airbrush, which I'll probably also be using. And I'm also going to be using Crayola air dry clay, so I can make pieces like the nose and an eye or something. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the visual tutorial. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. And go like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, go watch my other videos. I have many other tutorials. And go to my social media and follow that as well. I have a TikTok and Instagram. Instagram is looksby_Gigi and TikTok is looksbygigi. And I'll also have those in the description. So thank you for watching. Bye.